Well, hello my friendly shoppers and welcome back. This is Gina and today we are back at Aldi. We're going to check out all the new items that arrived this week, and so let's get started. And the first thing we see is this Market Tote Bag, $12.99. Very interesting. I see about three, so I see two colors and actually two different styles. So this is very interesting. I like the outside pockets. It's not the hugest market bag, but this is definitely a great travel bag. So this one you can see has the leather straps. Let's kind of open that one up. Yeah, great sides for like wine bottles. Try to open this up with one hand, but I don't think that's going to happen. You can see the bottom, so it is pretty wide. Very interesting. And the ceramic birdhouse, $9.99. You have two different designs to choose from. And for $10 now, this picnic cooler bag. So far, I see three different styles. And I'm just going to this is on the top shelf, so I'm just going to kind of show the picture of how it's to look. Very interesting, especially for the price. Not bad for $10. And for $9.99, you have the Boho Jacquard table runner. So it's about 90 inches long, 14 inches wide. And those are only $9.99. And then you have the Boho throw, 50 by 60. So these are $14.99. They do feel soft. Ooh, even the ones back here. And so these are actually really nice. I know it's probably really not blanket weather, but it'll be back. Now these are really cute. $9.99, these little bird feeders. How adorable. I don't know. This looks like it'd be more of a squirrel. The squirrels will love, you know, because I know they do love getting into the bird feeders. But these are actually super cute. Oh, I couldn't choose which one. See, that was adorable too. You really can't go wrong with any of those. $14.99. This is a portable picnic tray. Oh wow, this is kind of heavy. So this is definitely solid wood. See, I'm even having a hard time holding it in front of the camera. Got to get a better grip on there. There we go. So very interesting. You can see the little slots on the side to hold your wine glass. That's fun. And of course, for the heat for the summer, the pet splash pads. These are really fun. $12.99. And then for $10, the cooling mat. I like that these prices are so reasonable. And then for $14.99, these outdoor lanterns. These are actually pretty nice. They are a good size, about 14 to 15 inches tall. You could set those on the table, or you could hang those up anywhere outside. Oh, get my fingers out there. All right, $12.99, the bamboo serving tray set. Now this is a set of two. These have some good weight on them. So you can see they're connected. So these are actually really nice. Yeah, the price, because you're getting a set of two, that's actually a really great price. Now, $9.99, the food chopper. I'm actually going to pick this one up. I had one a long time ago, and I had it for so many years. It did break. But kind of zooming on here, you have a fine chopping blade, a medium, a ribbon blade, and a spiralizing blade. And now for $6.99, so the mini salad spinner. I do own this one. I like it. I use it a lot. And I like it because I think it's a perfect size. Some of them are a little too big, but that works out perfectly. And then here is the spiral slicer. I've never used that one, but I do own the mini salad spinner. They had that last year. Easy to clean, and it does work really well. I don't put it in the dishwasher, I just hand wash it. Now, $9.99, the vacuum insulated water bottle. These are 40 ounces. These are on the top shelf. And then the 8-piece glass storage set for $9.99. So basically it's 4 glass bowls and of course 4 lids. And you know this is glass because it's definitely heavy. You have 2 options. Oh, if I could even just grab that. These are always nice to have on hand for storage, food storage. And then $9.99, the serving caddy. You have 2 options. These are really nice. I like how simple they are. And the price is actually just right. Perfect for if you're having guests over for 4th of July, you're having a barbecue. And then $12.99 is called the paper towel holder. So there are 2 different options. So this one, it looks like this one you mount probably under your cabinet or wherever you want to put it. And then this one, of course, has the weight at the bottom. You can set that anywhere on the counter or on a table. So those are nice, a really great price. At $4.99, the tabletop torch. So these are glass. You just put the fuel inside and then the top will pop off and then you have your wick right there. I've seen several like arts and crafts with those. And at $4.99, okay, this is actually a really good set. A really good price for these. So it looks like the bowls kind of got taken apart, but I think it's a set of 4. Because the cups are a set of 4, the plates are a set of 4. You have 2 different designs to choose from. But perfect for the outdoors, especially if you don't want anything ceramic or glass. And for $12.99, now I love these airtight bins. It's a set of 2. Yeah, you could use this for it says a fridge or the pantry, craft room, bathroom. Those are good to have. Now $9.99, these are beautiful, these hummingbird feeders. So of course these are glass and metal, but so pretty. A lot of times I see these are just plastic, but I'm loving the glass. And the price is really good. And of course, it's one of the reasons I do like Aldi, because their prices are awesome. $3.99. They've lowered that half wood and half marble cheese board. $7.99. This is new, the titanium knife set. So you're getting a set of 3. I like that they have covers, so the sleeves to protect yourself. And then for $7.99, it's an expandable lunch or salad container. This is really interesting. Yeah, I always love having these on hand. I have a couple of them actually. And for $2.79, bag clips or a sink strainer. So you definitely have a few options here. If I could get that back in. You got your crocodile bag clips. You've got your kitty. So those have like a band with them. And then your owls, and then your little frog strainer, the sink strainer. These are cute. Those sell out really fast. $6.94. The car Febreze. So this is a set of 3. You just clip these in your air vent. And you have a couple of different options. At $1.49. Wow, these went down in price. These are plastic or acrylic wine glasses. set of 4. And then they come with like the little fake fruit to put on top. $6.19. Wow, that is a really good price. The clearest price for that ice coffee maker. We're going to check out some of the new ice creams, the ultimate cones. This is white chocolate caramel. Ooh, it has a caramel core, and then you have the chocolate flavored fudge with a fudge core. Those actually look pretty good. About 200 calories, 18 grams of sugar, which you're going to expect with ice cream like that. $11.99, the Chicken Hero Kit. Okay, this makes 5 sandwiches. Now, I've seen beef and lamb. I've never seen a chicken one. So very interesting. And if you've tried any of the items we've showed today, definitely give us your feedback. We'd love to hear it. The Sherbert, $2.69. You have the rainbow with lemon, orange, and lime. And then you have the orange. Now the orange is one of my favorites. I haven't had Sherbert in so many years. It sounds really good. It's a good size container, especially for the price. I may have to grab one of these. And then they have their Decor Pillows. These are indoor pillows. These are actually really soft. I only see 2 different designs. And those are $12.99 each. And then they have some new candles, $4.99. They're called Vintage Glass. And how pretty are these? The green. You have this navy blue. I just love the design on the glass. And you could reuse the glass after the wax melts down. And then for $9.99, the mini kinetic wind spinner. So we saw a couple different ones last week. I haven't seen the copper ones. I like that you have 2 options. You can stake it in the ground or you can hang it from a hook somewhere. Really pretty. So everybody, thank you so much for coming along to ALDI with me today, checking out all the new arrivals. Thank you again for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.